Like many of us these days, I'm sure your life is pretty busy. If you're looking to make some healthy snacks without spending a lot of time in the kitchen, I've got 3 easy recipes for you. I'm going to show you how to make my delicious strawberry avocado sorbet, hummus sandwiches, and a beautiful beet hummus dip. Hi, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Christine, and I found all of the ingredients I'm going to use in today's recipes at Basil Bandwagon Natural Market, where I love to shop. To make our strawberry sorbet, I have 10 ounces of frozen strawberries, 1/2 a ripe avocado. I'm going to add a little pinch of salt, the juice of 1 mandarin orange, 1 or 2 tablespoons of maple syrup, or you could use a pitted date, and 1/2 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. Now I'm going to blend it all together. Now we have this delicious, creamy, smooth strawberry avocado sorbet. So if when you go to serve it you find that it's too soft, you can go ahead and freeze your sorbet in the freezer to make sure it's the right texture. You should be able to scoop it out and have it hold its shape pretty well. And to top it off, I took a little bit of raspberry preserves and just thinned it out with a little water in a bowl. It makes a perfect sauce. Tuck a little orange wedge in there, a few chopped strawberries, whoop. And I'm going to add some carob chips, or you could use chocolate chips. And a mint sprig is our final touch. To make our hummus sandwich, I'm using Sammy's Bakery sourdough bread. This is made with just simple ingredients like millet flour, brown rice flour, quinoa flour. So you can feel free to use whatever bread you like though. And of course you can toast your bread. I'm heating mine up in a pan. I'm just lightly browning it on both sides over medium heat. And I'm just going to lightly brush them with a little olive oil. You can also use a grill pan if you prefer. I'm just going to brush the olive oil on only one side. And just heat that until it's lightly toasted. I'm going to use a heart-shaped cutter to make fun little shapes out of our bread. But feel free to use, there's other shapes with the same kit where I got the heart-shaped cutter. There's a star, there's a little Mickey Mouse and dinosaur, fun things like that. So feel free to cut them into different shapes. So for the hummus, I'm using the Hope brand sea salt and olive oil hummus. Feel free to use whatever hummus you like. And I'm just going to spread with maybe 2 to 3 tablespoons of the hummus on one side. And then you can put whatever vegetable fillings you like. I'm going to put a little bit of avocado, and some carrots, and then we're going to put some lettuce on there. Top it off with your other piece of bread and carefully put it together. And there we have an adorable heart-shaped sandwich that's perfect for snacking. Instead of garlic, which is traditionally used in hummus, I'm going to use the ends of these scallions. So I'm just trimming off the roots. And then I'm just going to use the part of the scallions, the white part, so that we maintain a nice color. If you add too much of the green part, it could turn the color more brown than red, and we want a nice reddish pink color for our hummus. Now we're just going to finely chop these. We only need a teaspoon, so you don't have to go too crazy with a big amount or anything. And you don't even have to chop them that finely because they will get chopped up in the food processor. Now transfer the cooked beets into your food processor. Add 1/2 teaspoon of sea salt, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of our chopped scallions, or as much as you like, and 1/4 cup of tahini. And now blend it until smooth. Probably at least once you'll have to scrape down the sides just to make sure you're getting everything incorporated. And if you want to add water at this point, you can add 1 to 2 tablespoons of water to get the right consistency. I'm going to keep blending without the water to see what happens and then see how much I need. Let's go ahead and add a little touch of water. Now you can see we're getting there with the consistency, but I really want to get this as smooth as possible. I'm going to blend it one more time. Of course, you can also adjust the seasonings to taste. If you want to add a little more lemon juice or tahini or salt, feel free to adapt it to your taste buds. Now you can see the consistency is nice and smooth. Of course, you are going to have some texture to it, just like regular hummus, but this is pretty smooth, so I'm pretty happy with it. Now we're just going to carefully spoon this into a serving bowl, along with some lovely crudités. And then the idea is to basically smooth it out. And you can take the end of a fork, or spoon and make some swirls if you like. Now I'm going to drizzle the top with a little bit of olive oil. And garnish it with a few pistachios. As well as some fresh lemon zest. A pinch or two of some Middle Eastern za'atar. Celery leaf, as well as some little radish hearts. I cut those out from a slice of red radish using a little heart-shaped cutter like this. Totally easy to do and makes a great presentation. And there you have a beautiful, nutritious snack. Beet hummus. So now you can see that it's possible to make your own healthy snacks in just a few minutes. Comment below what's one of your favorite healthy snacks. If you enjoyed this, please give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to find out about new videos when they get posted. Thanks for watching and I'll see you soon. Bye!